Boy riding his bike hit, killed by truck in Bergen County. Garfield, New Jersey, New York, a boy riding his bicycle was struck and killed by a truck in Bergen County. It happened around 2 p.m. Tuesday near Lanza and Pleasant Avenues in Garfield. Investigators said the boy was between 9 and 11 years old. Neighbors told CBS 2's Valerie Castro the truck traffic has become a growing problem in their residential community. There's a lot of big trucks that come. There's a storage facility down there and a lot of factories that are down there, and the trucks come through here this way to get down there, I guess, one person said. The driver remained on the scene before being brought to police headquarters for questioning.